Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the classic beef stew, okay? And I'm gonna cook this in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna add all of this onions, tomatoes to it. Make it really a hearty meal. So right now, it's good, but you know, these things are already frozen. I want to add some fresh stuff to it. It'll make it a little bit taste better as well. So, alright guys, stay tuned. For more, stay tuned. I'll be right back and get it all prepped. Alright guys, so it is all ready. So the stew's in there. You see the meat's in there. I got chickpeas, I got corn, I got green beans, I got carrots in here. So this is it's super heavy, by the way. So this is gonna add to that M&M stew and make it M&M Foods stew, make it way more heartier, and like I could probably eat this for like days now. So stay tuned guys. I'll be right back and do a quick taste test once it's ready. Alright, so the stew here is all done. As you can see, it's got all the vegetables in there. It smells really good actually, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test. There we go. Wow, it's got quite a bit of flavor. It's got a lot of herbs and spices and things like that. Nice aroma from the vegetables go really well. What I'm gonna do is, because of all the meat that's been in there, I'm gonna actually put this, once I put this in the fridge, this all crust over with the oil, and then I'm gonna scoop all the oil off. So other than that, it actually tastes pretty good. Yeah, it's got a lot of flavor, a lot of yeah, feels very hearty now. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.